really cute. I love all the people. Now, the question is that laser vision or are they just freaking out and they caused a fire?
They were just freaking out because of fire.
And I kind of like the wonky legs, too.
Yeah. I don't know how to draw bird legs. I was like, what is that? Is that on the diving board?
The water was drained. The bird just stuffed it full of all the good stuff. I was trying to think.
Oh, I thought that was the pool, and it was like a nest on the diving board.
No, it's the above ground pool.
Oh, I love that. That's hilarious.
I need to work on shading a lot.
You use complementary colors. You choose one to be the highlight and one to be the shadow.
Complementary to shade, huh?
Can you spot all my hidden signatures? There's 3.